It's a bit like riding on top of a firework. It's really, really fast. Jet power is great fun. Just one of the most incredible things that you can ever experience. It is exhilarating, but once you get up to 160 miles an hour, it's a bit hairy. I'm a bit of a show-off, I suppose, and I don't like to do something that somebody has already done.
No stranger to wild automotive creations, this idea was born in classic Perry fashion.
We sit in the pub, we all get drunk, we come up with a stupid idea, and whoever comes up with the stupidest idea, I'll go away and lock myself in the garage for 5 years and build it. To build Oklahoma Willy, I first of all bought the jet engine, a Rolls-Royce Viper 535. It was made in Bedford in 1978, and it was originally in a BAC Strikemaster, which is a single-engine fighter jet. I stripped that down and rebuilt it, chromed everything in polished aluminium, and that took me 2 years to complete. Then we added the afterburner, which was about another 6 months' work. Following that, I bought the VW bus to put it on, and that took me another 3 years. So all in all, about 6 years' work. It's a pretty rare, iconic vehicle. It's been restored to the highest of standards. Most people who come and see it have never seen anything like it in their life.
A fine build indeed. This 1958 split-screen VW is one of only 60 in the UK. But none pack as much punch as Oklahoma Willy, weighing in at 6,600 pounds. Its jet engine is packing 5,000 horsepower, giving this beast a potential top speed of 300 miles per hour.
It would probably fall over, but in theory it would do about 300. The top speed that I've done is 157 miles an hour.
And the original engine still sits in place, making it street legal, providing you don't fire up the jet.
Physically, you could start the rocket in the centre of London, but I think it probably wouldn't pass the emissions or the noise regulations. But yeah, I do drive it regularly on the road. We go shopping in it, but we don't tend to buy many groceries because there's nowhere to put them. There's a maintenance tray here, so you can see the entire thing pulls out. And there you can see, well, the computer and all of the controls that keep the jet running and keep it safe. We're looking inside the cab. First impressions when you get in the vehicle is quite what you'd expect to see in a 1958 Volkswagen. Normal steering wheel, gear lever, handbrake, ignition, speedometer, clutch, brake, accelerator on the floor. However, I have added a jet, so we have some more controls. So here we have the main controls for the jet, and here we have all the monitoring gauges and starting buttons. Down here, there's what we call a dead man's pedal. I must put my foot on that first of all. If during the jet performance anything goes wrong at all, I just release that and everything is closed down, the computer closes everything down and it cannot be restarted.
Perry and Oklahoma Willy appear at events and festivals all over Europe, performing quarter-mile runs and flame and smoke shows.
I cover the first 8th mile in about 8.5 seconds, and the second 8th mile I do in about 2.5 seconds. So it's getting quick really, really fast. It's a bit like riding on top of a firework, the sensation. There's no vibrations. It's not that noisy because most of the noise is going behind you. It is exhilarating, but once you get up to 160 miles an hour in a 1958 brick, it's a bit hairy. Before a race, you can get a little bit nervous. It's an awful amount of power that you're unleashing in one go. You're just focusing on the horizon at a point and making sure you stay dead straight. Jet power is great fun. It's just such an awesome power. The noise, the smell and the sound, one of the most incredible things that you can ever experience.